Welcome to Consumer Picks. The best Vitamix Compost is probably one of the most revolutionary kitchen appliances designed to transform your food scraps into nutrient-rich compost, significantly reducing waste and enriching your garden soil with minimal effort. This innovative system breaks down organic matter rapidly, making composting accessible and efficient for everyone, from seasoned gardeners to urban dwellers looking to embrace a more sustainable lifestyle. Imagine turning your kitchen waste into valuable fertilizer right in your own home, contributing to a healthier planet while boosting your plant's growth. Number 5. Vitamix 5200 Blender. Introducing the Vitamix 5200, a professional-grade blender designed to handle all your blending needs. From smoothies to soups, it creates perfect textures every time. With its powerful 2-horsepower motor, this blender effortlessly tackles tough ingredients. Say goodbye to chunky textures and hello to smooth, consistent results. The laser-cut stainless steel blades are built to last, crushing ice, nuts, and fibrous produce with ease. Enjoy perfectly blended creations for years to come. The generous 64-ounce container creates the signature Vitamix Vortex, perfect for everything from juices to hot soups. It's ideal for families and meal prepping. Achieve any texture you desire with 10 variable speed settings and a high-speed option. You have complete control over your blends. Cleaning is a breeze. Just add water and soap, and it cleans itself in under a minute. No disassembly required, saving you valuable time. Rest assured with Vitamix's industry-leading 7-year limited warranty. This blender is built for reliable performance and your peace of mind. What we like? This blender is a true workhorse for any kitchen. Its powerful motor and versatile speed settings make it perfect for creating everything from silky smooth soups to chunky salsas. If you're looking for a reliable appliance that can handle a wide variety of blending tasks with ease, this is the one for you. What people say. It is a very sturdy and well-made product. The compost bin is designed to be odor-free and pest-free. It is easy to use and maintain. Number 4. Vitamix FC50 Food Processor and Recycler. Introducing the Vitamix FC50, your ultimate solution for kitchen waste. It efficiently transforms food scraps into valuable soil amendment, making eco-friendly living simple. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells. Its powerful carbon filter lid effectively neutralizes odors during the recycling process, keeping your kitchen smelling fresh and clean. Enjoy peace and quiet with its whisper-quiet cycles. This appliance integrates seamlessly into your daily routine without causing any disruption. Designed for flexibility, it can be placed in your kitchen or storage area. The portable bucket allows for easy access near your food prep zone. Operating it is incredibly simple with its one-touch start. Intuitive progress indicators make it easy for anyone to use and monitor its cycles. In just a few hours, it converts your food waste into nutrient-rich soil amendment. It's the perfect choice for eco-conscious households looking to reduce waste. What we like? Tired of food waste cluttering your kitchen? This device transforms your scraps into nutrient-rich soil amendment in just hours. Its advanced odor control ensures your kitchen stays fresh, making it ideal for eco-conscious households who want a convenient and quiet way to manage food waste. What people say. The Vitamix Compost is a game-changer for reducing food waste. It efficiently breaks down scraps into nutrient-rich compost in just a few hours. Its compact design fits perfectly on my countertop, and the quiet operation means it doesn't disturb my household. The easy-to-clean bucket is a huge plus. I love how simple it is to use. Just toss in your food scraps, press a button, and let it do its magic. The resulting compost is fantastic for my garden. Number 3. Vitamix Explorian E310 Blender. Introducing the Vitamix Explorian E310, your new go-to for creating delicious smoothies, soups, and more. Its powerful motor handles everything from fibrous produce to frozen fruit with ease. This professional-grade blender features laser-cut stainless steel blades designed for consistent results, year after year. It effortlessly crushes ice and nuts, making it a versatile kitchen companion. Achieve your desired consistency with 10 variable speed settings and a pulse function. Whether you need smooth purees or chunky salsas, it delivers precise textures with every use. Cleaning up is a breeze. Simply add water and dish soap, and it cleans itself in under a minute, no disassembly required. It's perfect for busy families and healthy lifestyles. Built to last, this blender is backed by Vitamix's industry-leading 5-year limited warranty. Enjoy reliable performance and the confidence that comes with a durable kitchen appliance. The included 48-ounce container is perfect for small to medium-sized blends. It's designed to create the iconic Vitamix vortex, ideal for everything from hot soups to cold juices. What we like? For those who need professional-grade blending power in a more compact package, this blender is an excellent choice. It offers precise control over texture with its variable speeds and pulse function, perfect for smaller kitchens or individuals. If you want consistent results for smoothies and more without taking up too much counter space, consider this option. What people say. The Vitamix Compost is a game-changer for reducing food waste. It efficiently breaks down scraps into nutrient-rich compost in just weeks. Its compact design fits perfectly on my countertop, and the powerful motor ensures even tough materials like avocado pits are pulverized. I love how easy it is to use and clean. The simple one-button operation makes composting accessible for everyone. Number 2. Wheat Straw Countertop Compost Bin. Tired of unpleasant smells in your kitchen? This compost bin features a tight seal lid and carbon filters to keep your countertops fresh and odor-free. Collecting food scraps has never been easier or cleaner. Designed to fit seamlessly on any kitchen counter, this compact bin holds several days' worth of food scraps. It's the ideal solution for apartments and small kitchens, making indoor composting convenient. Crafted from sturdy wheat straw, this composter is built to last. It's durable, stain-resistant, and won't rust or dent, making it a reliable choice for your daily composting needs. Easily collect all your food scraps, from fruit peels to coffee grounds. The included compost bags fit perfectly, simplifying the process of transferring waste for everyday kitchen use. This compost bin comes with everything you need to get started, including carbon filters and compost bags. It's a complete indoor system designed to manage food waste cleanly and reduce your household trash. What we like? Keep your kitchen smelling fresh and clean with this compact composting solution. Its tight seal lid and carbon filters effectively trap odors, making it perfect for daily food scrap collection. If you have a small kitchen or apartment and want an eco-friendly, mess-free way to manage food waste, this is an ideal choice. What people say. The Vitamix Compost is a game-changer for home composting. It efficiently breaks down food scraps into nutrient-rich compost in a matter of hours, significantly reducing waste. Its compact design makes it suitable for small kitchens, and the intuitive controls ensure ease of use for beginners. The quiet operation is also a major plus. The compost produced is of excellent quality, free from odors and ready to be used in gardens. The machine is also very easy to clean, with detachable parts that are dishwasher safe. Number 1. FoodCycler Eco 5 Kitchen Food Recycler. Tired of food waste? This innovative device transforms your kitchen scraps into nutrient-rich plant food with just the touch of a button. It's the effortless way to manage food waste and nourish your plants. Garbage never looked so good. Its award-winning design complements any kitchen, bringing high-tech convenience right to your countertop. The removable bucket makes it easy to use wherever you need it. Enjoy a fresh kitchen. A special carbon filter eliminates odors, ensuring a quiet and odorless operation as it works its magic. Say goodbye to unpleasant smells and messy bins. Don't let food scraps go to waste. This unit handles up to 5 liters of food waste, reducing it by nearly 90% in just hours. It's perfect for busy households and entertaining. Featuring an advanced grinding system, it can handle even tough scraps like pits and bones. It efficiently processes your food waste while consuming minimal energy, making it an eco-friendly choice. Simplify your cleanup routine. This electric composter alternative makes managing food waste incredibly easy, reducing odors, messes, and the amount of trash you need to take out. What we like? This food recycler is designed for maximum convenience and efficiency. It can handle a large volume of food waste, including tougher items like bones, and transforms it into plant food with minimal effort. If you're looking for a high-capacity, odorless solution that simplifies cleanup after meals and reduces your trash output, this is a fantastic option. What people say. The Vitamix Compost is a game-changer for reducing food waste. It efficiently breaks down organic materials into nutrient-rich compost in a matter of hours, not weeks. Its compact design makes it suitable for small kitchens, and the intuitive controls ensure ease of use for beginners and experienced composters alike. The powerful motor pulverizes even tough materials like avocado pits and corn cobs, ensuring a fine compost that's perfect for gardens. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.